Are you stealing?
Yes, I stole. But I'm not a bad person. Hey brother, here's your wallet.
This is my wallet.
Your wallet was hanging out of your pocket. Do you know what thieves call such a sight?
What do they say?
Easy. And this train is filled with thieves. You should know that. I'm giving you a lesson. Not everyone is like me, you understand?
Thank you, brother. I'll never forget your favor.
Don't even forget it. Or else I'll give you another demo, alright?
I'm really sorry. I misunderstood you once again.
That's alright, Dhanak. Anyone would have thought the same, you know.
You are quite a different kind of person. I have never seen anyone like you.
Everyone says the same. I am one of the finest creations of Lord Ganesha, you would know. In fact, there is nobody like me.
Yes, of course.
Oh God, I was lucky today. That was a close call. I will have to be careful. You have to keep your identity hidden from Dhanak to fulfill Mai's promise as well.
Sakku,
Yes, Mai?
get the weighing scale.
Why, Mai?
I want to weigh her.
Oh, why, Mai? Why do you want to weigh me?
You rascal. You're acting too smart. You moved my bucket and placed yours in the morning.
Yeah. No, Mai, forgive me, Mai. My husband was in a hurry and he was getting late, so I needed the water for his bath.
I don't want to hear reasons. It's Judgment Day. If you've made a mistake, then you will be punished.
Mai, please forgive me, Mai.
Sakku.
Yes.
Hey,
Yes, Mai.
I'm here.
Yes, Mai.
Get 2 empty buckets from inside.
I'm on it, Mai.
And you will take these empty buckets and fill them in your house and bring them over here. Out you go.
If I give you all the water, what will I do, Mai?
Sing a hymn.
Praise the Lord, praise the Lord, praise the Lord, praise the Lord.
Yes, you'll break the bucket. You'll break the
Just
bucket.
that, you give us a new one.
Today's mistake was lust. If you make the same mistake, then you will face my wrath, okay? Get lost.
Mai, please forgive me, Mai.
Sakku.
Yes, Mai. Take this. Come on, take this. Get lost. Hey, come on, get going.
Such a fool.
Yes, you're right.
Sakku,
Yes, Mai.
come on, you also leave now.
Mai, what did I do?
Are you a fool? You have to go to Priyadarshini.
Yes, for what? I thought it's my day off.
For what? Am I getting married?
No.
Then? We took an off yesterday,
Yes.
so we should earn double today.
Yes, right.
By the way, Raghu told me that he's going to get some big loot.
Daddy. By the way, Dad, they are providing a pickup and drop. Dad, please think it over once. The salary is 25,000. It's an opportunity. We cannot get a better deal, Dad.
Dad, just think about it. What she's saying is right.
And now you too, Grandma. Hey, Grandma. Is Grandma at home? Hey, he's the same person who saved my life. Hey, it's you. No, she's gone to the market for some work. But you please come in. Do you need something? I needed the empty bottle. The thing is, Grandma has a gastric problem, so I supply her with the soda. So I wanted the empty bottle. It's okay, I'll come back later. Hey, no. Come inside. Come in. Me? Hey, come here. Come, sit. Come, sit.
Please come in. Sit.
Here, drink some tea. Hey, uncle, you were about to have this tea. Hey, it doesn't matter. Come on, drink it. Hey, drink it. Sharing food aids love. Drink it. Actually, I don't like to drink tea. But since you're forcing me, I'll have it. Yes. Sejal,
Yes, Dad?
prepare a cup of tea for me.
Yes, Dad.
The tea is good, is it? Or uncle, is everything set? Yes? If you need any help, don't hesitate to tell me, okay? Actually, I wanted small help from you. Tell me clearly, uncle, what's the problem? Is the room small? Do you have problems with rent? What are problem? Is anyone annoying you? Just tell me. No. That's not the case. Actually, we are looking for a job. Preeti needs a job. Is that all? Just tell me the address, uncle. I'll help her get the job wherever she wants in Mumbai. Did you hear? I had already told you. A skilled person has so many job opportunities in Mumbai. Oh my god. Is she a skilled person too? Yes, then. She has a speed of 70 per minute. Oh my god. Is there a speed for robberies too? I'm sure that my speed must be beyond 100. So Preeti, so since when you are in this field?
I've got trained 2 years back. Then as I got the opportunities, I did my work. Whenever I got the job, I did it. I got the job, I did it. But to be honest, till today, I never got a good opportunity. Now, although I got it, it's a night shift job.
If such an ace will assist me in my gang, then my job status will rise. It must be a day job. She'll get it. She'll get a day shift job. Hey uncle, you don't worry, I'm with you. I'm here. I'll get her a job. And anyway, work related to computers is okay for the daytime. At night when people reach home, they have so many worries. Exactly. That's what I'm trying to explain since a long time. She just doesn't understand.
Soda bottle?
What?
Soda bottles.
Oh, my empty bottles are ready. And uncle, what do the rest of them do? Everyone in my family is extremely talented. Really? Yes. I'll get jobs. For everyone, uncle. Okay, I'm leaving. Hey, listen. Do you have a shop of soda bottles? Yes. But I love empty bottles more than the filled ones, uncle. Remember that.
Dad, what did he say before leaving?
I guess he runs a waste management business. Good boy.
Dhanak Parekh reporting, sir. Sir, I've passed the preliminary exam of IPS from Gujarat. Now I've shifted here and I wish to appear for the next exam from Mumbai Center.
Certificates?
Sir, I don't have any certificates right now, but I can send
We
for...
don't have much time. Today is the last date for the form submission. If you can bring the certificates by 5 p.m. today, then do it. Or else, try next year.
Sir... Thank you, sir.
Hey Anna, prepare a tasty Szechuan. Alright, you know my taste buds must be satisfied. Hey Dhanak, shall I order some pav bhaji or dosa for you? Hey, why are you crying?
Actually... Nothing, I have a problem.
What's the problem?
I wanted to submit some documents and they...
Did you lose them? Did they fall somewhere or something? You don't worry, I will search right here,
No,
okay?
I didn't lose them, Raghu. They are at my house.
At home now? Hey, is that all? I just need to make a call to bring everything here.
At my home in Gujarat.
I don't have any contacts over there.
If I don't submit the documents today, then...
Oh no, sweetheart. You don't cry. If you cry, I feel very disturbed, you know.
What's this, Raghu?
Hey, nothing. You were getting emotional, so.
This is how you stop children from crying.
Hey, a child resides within all of us. When we get upset, the child within us is the one who actually cries. Hey, you smiled, right? Now I will go to Gujarat and bring all of your documents.
It's not possible, Raghu. I have to submit them before 5 p.m. It's already 2 p.m.
Hey, this is a problem. That's the problem with educated people. Nobody considers your work. They just ask for your certificates. Now look at me. No degree, no certificates. When I see a battlefield, I just go and start fighting my way.
What did you say?
Did I say something wrong?
What was the last line you said?
When you see a battlefield, you get down and fight.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. What an idea. I'll be right back.
Hey, what idea did I give that made my love so happy? Whatever it was, she touched me for the second time today. The Mumbai circuit has paid off.
Hey, looking at ma'am, it doesn't seem
What?
that she is going to become a police officer.
Hey, Anna,
Yeah?
have you lost your mind? I guess the heat is affecting your brains. You don't make any sense. Miss Dhanak, a cop? No.
Hey, if she doesn't want to be a cop, then why did she enter that building? Tell me. That's what they teach in there.
What do they teach?
How to become a cop, how to shoot a gun. They teach everything in there.
Ms. Dhanak, I told you, nothing is possible without the certificates.
Sir, what are the certificates meant for?
What do you mean? It proves your ability.
What if I prove those abilities to you right here?
Sounds excellent. I'm impressed.
Sir, all my certificates are in Gujarat. I'll get them here in a couple of days. For now, I'm ready to give a test for the formalities of the form. I'm ready for that.
Ms. Dhanak, I've told you.
Please, sir. You are aware of how crucial the first year of training for the IPS is, and I can't miss it. Sir, give me one chance. I can prove it to you. Sir, please, one chance. Please, sir, please, one chance.
Okay. I am allowing you by using my special rights. Get ready for the test.
Yes, sir.
Hey, sir, you know what? Can I tell you something? You can confirm that with ma'am. But I am very sure. Ma'am wants to be a cop and...
Hey, be quiet. You talk rubbish. Cops are very cruel people. But my sweetheart, she is very sweet. Absolutely sweet.
You're right.
Did you see her hands?
No, sir.
Don't even dare to. I have seen them, and that's enough. Her hands are feather soft, you know. Absolutely nice. Her speech is like the sound of tinkling anklets.
You're absolutely right.
She looks great with a scarf over her head. And the cap of the policeman. It is not going to suit her. Hey, my sweetheart looks beautiful when she wears bangles. A gun won't suit her.
So all ready for target? Zinak, you will move on to the next test if you clear this test. Let's go towards the shooting range.
She is a noble daughter of a simple man. She won't become a cop. She is very simple, you see. And they recently arrived from Gujarat to Mumbai. She might have come to sign some documents. Nothing more than that, okay? And you don't rack your brains. Apply some butter.
Okay, sir. Hey, sir, but can I say something? I won't say anything wrong. You and ma'am will make a great couple. Made for each other.
Hey, I told you to butter the dosa, but you are buttering me. Get going now.
Okay, I'll do that, sir.
I will tell Mai to investigate this. Wherever I go, the cops follow me always.
Hey, come on. Let's have some tea. Make some tea.
Oh dear, it's a gun. I've robbed so many people, but I've never robbed a cop ever. Mai, today I will give you such a gift that you will dance with me, okay?
Hey, Savant, Shinde, where's my gun? Hey, hey. Hey, where did it go? Hey, Anna, did you see anyone near the jeep? Hey, answer me.
Oh my God, this place is completely filled with cops. Dear me, missed by just an inch. On one side it's Dhanak, and then there are the cops. I cannot leave Dhanak while the cops won't leave me. Whatever it is, I made some good loot today. I'll sell this gun for millions. I will just convince Dhanak first. It looks so elegant. I just feel like staring at it. Is it a magical gun? It's automatically firing. A cop! Dear God, oh Lord Ganesh, help me. Is this a punishment for lighting crackers during a festival? Please forgive me once. Hail to Lord Ganesha. Hey! I was playing with the gun, but now it's playing with me. What's this?
तूफानों को तैयार कर, हासिल मंजिल इस पार कर, तेरी रगों रगों में दौड़े उस लहू को ना बेजार कर, तू ठान ले, ये जान ले, सारी दुनिया ये मान ले, तू आग है, औलाद है, तूफानों को तैयार कर, हासिल मंजिल इस पार कर, तेरी रगों रगों में दौड़े उस लहू को ना बेजार कर, तू ठान ले, ये जान ले, सारी दुनिया ये मान ले, तू आग है, औलाद है.
Good shot.